Hi, it's Cassie, artist in residence with Imagine. Today I wanted to make a quick, clean and simple, as much as I can anyway, card, and I really wanted to do some watercoloring with our beautiful inks that we have. So I'm using clear gesso on white cardstock first, and then just stamping my sentiment right in the middle with the Stays On pigment in piano black. And then I started with the Delicata and rose gold because I really wanted that to be my focus color and then build other colors around it, and it's super gorgeous. So then I took some Versamagic lighter yellow and almost like a yellowish orange color and just accentuate around the sides of it. And then once those three colors are done, you can see I spritz it with water and then kind of move it around with my finger and then dried it completely. Afterwards, I came back with some green from the Brilliance line, and I really wanted to make sure that first layer was dry so it didn't get mud because we're going from warm to cool. Okay, so then I want to build a frame around this with this beautiful floral stamp that I have. So I'm using my Stays On pigment again and just deciding where to place the pieces of this stamp around my sentiment. Obviously I can't use the whole thing on here, but it really lends itself nice to just sort of picking pieces of it to help frame your focal point, which in this case is my sentiment, thinking of you. So I'm just deciding on the placement of those to fill in all the space around the edges using my Stays On pigment ink and stamping around the edge. So you really could stop here because I think this card is quite beautiful the way it is, but I added just a tiny bit more because that's how I am. So I've got the sheer shimmer spritz and sparkle there. I just spritz it all over the top just to give it the tiniest bit of sparkle, and then I'm matting it to that black matte cardstock with the tear tape, and then to my card base, which is 5.5 by 5.5 inch white cardstock, or card base, I should say. And then I decided that I couldn't not decorate the envelope this time because the stamp is gorgeous and the ink is gorgeous. That rose gold Delicata ink is really, really fabulous. So there's my envelope, and it turned out really well. So then finally I just decided I had to add one more little thing. So I've got the Pico embellisher in sparkle here, and when this dries it's going to be slightly dimensional and it's going to have the tiniest bit of sparkle to it, and it will be shiny too. It's kind of got a glossy finish. So, and then just adding a couple dots, and there my card is done. You could really mass produce these, make a lot of them all at once. They're really easy, beautiful. It was fun to make and kind of nice to go simple for a change. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and for more inspiration, please visit imaginecrafts.com. Thank you so much.